My name is Goldman. I'm the director of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. I want to talk to you today about domestic violence and how that is handled in the state of Michigan. Well, domestic violence, unfortunately, is a part of our life. It's a part of our society. It's something that goes on. It shouldn't go on, but it does. A day doesn't go by that here at the office we don't get calls about domestic violence, either by people who are looking at charges alleging that they've committed acts of domestic violence, or by the victims themselves. Call up and say, hey, such and such happened to me, what do I do? I will tell you this, domestic violence is a criminal charge. It may occur in your home, it may occur between you and your spouse, but that doesn't just make it a family thing. It's still a criminal charge for which someone can go to jail. So therefore, if you are charged with domestic violence, you got to understand what's going to happen. What's going to happen is there will be criminal proceedings against you, and there will be court dates coming up where your case will be processed. You will go before a judge multiple times, and ultimately, if the case can be resolved, great, and if it can't be, you're going to trial. You're going to trial on an issue of whether or not you committed an act of domestic violence. Now, to someone's, average guy, average woman, to their way of thinking, maybe domestic violence does not occur unless you hit somebody over the head with a frying pan or shove them down the staircase. But the truth is, these laws are pretty easy to violate. Domestic violence can occur if you and your spouse are hassling about something, somebody grabs somebody or pushes somebody. Every day we get people who say, well, she was trying to hit me, so I grabbed her hands, and then I got arrested. Well, ultimately, if the police are coming to the house, someone's going to get arrested. It is the rare situation where they come to the house, restore peace, and then leave. In most cases where there's a complaining witness, especially if they see that someone's got scratches or bruises, they're going to make an arrest and someone's going to be removed from the premises. And if they are removed from the premises, what will happen as part of that case is the court will issue a no contact order, meaning that your spouse cannot have any contact with you of any type. This becomes a serious thing because if you're depending on them, for example, to pick up the kids from school, you're depending on their paycheck because they work and you take care of infants at the house. You're depending on whatever contact you normally have with the spouse. Now there's a no contact order that says you can have none of that. You need to realize that this is not only going to be impactful to the other side, it's going to impact you, potentially in a way that saves you and protects you, potentially in a way that is injurious to you in another respect. So, therefore, you've got to realize that that's what's going to go on in a domestic violence case. Now, ultimately, the case will come to court multiple times. There'll be an opportunity to try and settle the case. There may be an opportunity to lift the no contact order, but that may be a ways down the line. Now, if you have any questions about your case, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.